In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play against bots in Black Ops 1. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a match against bots. You will be able to do this on any platform where Black Ops 1 is available, and all that you have to do is set up a custom local game. So on the home screen of Black Ops 1, instead of going over to multiplayer, head into local. When you go into local, you will usually have to choose the split screen option. Don't worry, even if you don't have someone else who is going to play with you, you will still be able to set up the match against bots alone. So just go into split screen if you are given the option. Now, once you are inside of the lobby and you can see your name at the right side of the screen under the main team, all that you have to do is go over to the edit options at the left side of the screen. So you will be able to choose edit game settings or usually something similar. When you go over to edit game settings or edit game option, immediately you can find the option to change the amount of bots and the difficulty. So instead of it being titled bots, it is going to be titled enemies, and you can customize how many bots are going to be added into this match. And of course, you can also change the difficulty. So the highest difficulty is going to be veteran, and then you can lower it if you believe that the bots are too overpowered. Regardless, just set up the amount here, set up the difficulty, and then you are basically good to go. As soon as you change these, you can customize the map, customize your loadout, and start the local game. Immediately upon loading in, all of the bots are going to appear and you are good to go. You can repeat this process as many times as you wish on any map and usually most game modes, and the bots are always going to appear, connect right away, and it is going to work flawlessly on any platform. So choose the loadout that you wish to use, queue into a match, and add as many enemies as you wish to have. I hope I was able to help you on how to play against bots in Black Ops 1. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.